Good morning, you guys. Welcome back. It's Tootie. So today I have another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be canning for my first time ever. So I'm super excited about it. I got this book and I'm going to start off today with some water bath canning, and I'm going to be doing this strawberry jam recipe. So I've got everything I need for it. So that's what we're going to do today. This book, it was really nice because it says this recipe was for getting started, to introduce you to the pleasures of home canning. This chapter provides you some instructions, help you get a little confidence and trying these few popular recipes. So I'm going to start with the strawberry jam. This week at Fry's grocery store, strawberries are 47 cents a pack. So you're able to buy up to 5 packs of strawberries with 1 coupon. So I was able to get a bunch of strawberries, and I figured it was such a perfect time to do it because they're so affordable and it's perfect for my first time. I'm gonna wash this up and wash all these things and get everything cleaned up so I'm ready to use it. I don't have the skinny jars. I've only got these ones. They're kind of wide. So I only can fit 7 in at a time. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. If there's any extra, I guess I'll go and finish it when these are done. All right, guys, so I did wash all my jars. So now I'm gonna put them in the pot. All right, so I'm gonna get these set on medium heat. So I'm gonna set this at a 5 because that's medium. And I'm gonna put these underneath the water. So I'm just gonna put these in. Let's see. Probably didn't do that right. Okay, did it. They're all in the pot under the water. I have it set at medium heat. So now I'm gonna move on to the next step in the book. So my next step is to wash all these lids and bands. So the third step is to measure sugar in a bowl and set aside, and the amount of sugar is 7 cups of sugar. I've got my sugar set aside. That's a lot of sugar. It says next, place in a colander over the sink, wash strawberries under water, and remove the holes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So got all the strawberries clean. Out of all these strawberries, I found one bad one, so not bad at all. So now I'm gonna hold them. I've never held a strawberry before, so I hope I do it right. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to put my strawberries in, I guess. I'm assuming you just have to take out the center. I don't know. Ooh, I like this one. This one's big. Looks really yummy. Okay. Let's see. I'm just assuming I'm doing it right, guys. I will slice these up too. Just gonna get through all these strawberries. Okay, guys, so I finally hulled all these berries. My kids snagged a few in the process. So let's hope I have enough. I've got my pot still going. I'm just gonna bring these over here. Remove the sugar. Ooh, I do not want to spill all that sugar on the floor. That would not be fun to have to sweep. Okay, so I guess I'm supposed to just like put these in. I'm gonna slice them a little, put them in here and mash them up. Okay, you guys, so let's see. This seems like it's gonna be a lot harder than I anticipated. Because these strawberries aren't like super ripe or anything. They're all right, but. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna have to put some elbow grease into this. So I'm gonna try to work on this. and get this mashed up if I can. Okay guys, so this worked pretty good. I think this is good enough as far as it being mashed and liquidy, because I think this is the best it's gonna get. So I'm going to take a 1 cup measuring cup like so, and I need a spoon actually. Okay, so I'm gonna use this 1 cup measuring, try to fill it up. So I believe I need 5 cups. 5 cups. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting my 5 cups of strawberries in this stainless steel pot. So I got 1, I need 4 more. Okay, you guys, so I got 5 cups. I got quite a bit left, so I'm pretty sure I have a few more packs of strawberries in the fridge. I could do another batch, but I think I might dehydrate some too, so we'll see. But I have the 5 cups in this pot. This is a big pot. Oh my gosh, why is this so hot? I don't think it's supposed to be boiling like this. Let me just take this lid off a bit. Anyway, yeah, that's boiling. I don't know. It's supposed to just simmer, but I don't know. But anyway, I've got 5 cups in here. This probably is taking me longer, so that's probably getting really hot. 5 cups, and now I'm gonna go on to the next step. So next step is to add lemon juice. I've got just some bottled lemon juice or whatever, and it says 4 tablespoons. So I measured out 4 tablespoons. So I'm just gonna add it to the strawberries. Now I'm going to add in the pectin, and then I have to whisk it until it dissolves. I'm just gonna whisk it. So it dissolves. Okay, so it said bring to a full rolling boil over high heat. I have it on high heat. I'm not sure this is a rolling boil, but hopefully it is. So now I think it's time to dump in the sugar. So I'm gonna dump that in now. It says stir constantly. This definitely made a lot more jam than I expected. Okay guys, so this is what the jam is looking like. I have filled up about 4 jars. Oops, excuse the steam. I'm about to fill up, let me cut this up a tad, a few more. So I'm gonna grab one now. So basically it says to just grab one. Let's see, it's hard to get these because of the wide mouth, but just take one and remove the water, just like that. Just dump out the water. And then I'm going to bring it over here. Excuse all this mess. Put this in. This is a little too long for these, so I kind of have to lift it up. This takes about a couple scoops, so I'm gonna ladle some in. I'm gonna do another one. This calls for 1/4 headspace. So let me check it. So I still have a lot of space, but it's harder to tell because of the thing that goes so deep in there. So I'm gonna add a little more. And then I'm gonna check it. So I still can put more in. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, you guys, I'm running out of memory. So basically after I did that, I got it to 1/4 inch. I'm gonna show you guys, it's a little messy, but 1/4, wrong one. So 1/4 inch heads. Okay guys, sorry, I ran out of memory, had to delete stuff just to be able to finish recording. So I've got all my jars filled up, you guys. I'm just gonna show you what they look like. I did the whole deal, oops, upside down, still learning. So I did the whole thing where you fill them up, 1/4 headspace, get the bubbles out, wipe the rims, and then I put the rings on. So this is what the jam, oops, I shouldn't have tilted it. Shoot, I hope I didn't ruin it. Okay, I hope I didn't ruin that one. I'm not gonna show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna leave that one. Let's hope I didn't ruin it. I'm gonna cover this. And I'm gonna set it to, let's see. I did all that when jars are filled, lower rack. Okay. High heat, so I'm gonna set this to high and let it come to a rolling boil. When it comes to a rolling boil, I'm gonna boil for 10 minutes. I have to add an extra 5. And then, yeah. Okay, you guys, so this came up to this boiled for 15 minutes. I cut the stove off and removed the lid like the instructions said, and I set a timer for 5 minutes because it said wait 5 minutes and then remove them. I hope that one I didn't ruin when I tried to show you guys. But anyway, I like this recipe that I did made 8 jars. I did put one in the refrigerator because I couldn't fit in here. I thought maybe I'll just can it next. There was just one left, so I was like, I looked at the book and it said to use it within 3 weeks, put it in an airtight container, use it within 3 weeks. So I figured it'll be eaten sooner than that because this jam is really, really good. So I'm waiting 5 minutes and then I'm going to remove these. All right, guys, so it says without tilting. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to remove all these. It's okay if it has water on the top. Let's see. These are hard to get. Oops. I'm gonna get all these out. All right, guys, so I did get them all out and they have been sitting for hours. I didn't record right away because I had ran out of memory, but I haven't touched them. I haven't messed with them. Hopefully they turn out good. I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today and watching me do this new hobby and experiment with me. Leave me tips if you saw. I know when I look back at the video, I looked and I'm like, oh my gosh, I could have did this or that, but or I should have probably did this differently. This is my first time ever canning, so leave me tips. Give me your feedback, guys. Thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, and hopefully we have more canning videos coming soon. Thanks. See you later. Bye.